guys, and thank you guys for joining me in today's video. We're gonna continue with the Christmas series of decorating. These are the best type of videos just because I make my home feel extra cozy. I am gonna be reusing a lot of my decor again this year, but since I mix match, I move stuff around, I try to find ways to make it look fresh and brand new. Today we're gonna be decorating my kitchen, and we're also gonna be decorating my wine cooler. Later on today, we're gonna get cozy. We're gonna bake some Christmas cookies and then get cozier by the minute. First, I wanna share the stuff that I have on my dining table because it is a lot. I do have a couple stuff here. Also, this is my part 4 in my decorating series. If you guys haven't seen the other ones, go and check it out. I've decorated my bedroom. I gave it a gingerbread style, which I love. It's so cute and cozy. My second one was my hot cocoa bar, so you can see in the back that I wanted to do a whimsical classic look. And then my third one, I decorated my Christmas tree and the fireplace, and it's all nice and ready for Christmas. First, let me share what I'm gonna be working with so you guys could get an idea. All right, so you can see my whole dining table is full of Christmas stuff and goodies. Let's start. I do have my sugar in here and cinnamon ready to go, and then I have this jar that I used. I had biscoff cookies and we're gonna refill it again right now. I really want to display this butter dish. Oh, as you can tell, we're gonna do a classic gingerbread thing in my kitchen. Just letting you guys know. I mean, you guys could probably tell by all this gingerbread stuff. I also want to display this gingerbread cookie jar. It's so cute and festive. I also want to display this mug. I love it, and I feel like it just matches the type of tone color. Another gingerbread mug that I want to display. I also want to display these plates right here, which I really like that deep color green. 2 more gingerbread mugs. These little stems as fillers. I have my teapot ready. I can't wait to make myself a tea. I think I'm gonna make myself a tea after the cookies are done, so I can't wait. Now for my wine cooler, I'm thinking I'm gonna be adding these cups, and then my Christmas spoons that I use for everything, for coffees, etc. And I'm also gonna be using this peppermint swirl cake stand, and then I'm gonna be displaying these plates, some of these picks, and then some coasters, this shaker right here, and then I have these napkins that I didn't get to use all of them last year, but this one's so cute for the season. We're gonna be using this big tree, and yes, we're gonna see Mr. Snowman displayed once again. And then once again, I had to pull out my crate. I want to display it in the kitchen. I've never displayed this in the kitchen. I think it's perfect. Okay, if you guys have been here for quite some time, you guys know this is my limited space of me decorating my kitchen. This is all I have to decorate, so let's get started. Okay, this is very adorable. The only thing I keep going back and forth if I should have the cookie jar right over here or if I should have the tea kettle here. So I switched it. I think this is better just because I love to grab my tea from this side. I don't know if it's my OCD than grabbing it over there. This is too cute. Well, I'm gonna keep on going, decorate this, and then start working on the wine cooler. But this is so exciting, a cute traditional gingerbread kitchen. Okay guys, so this is how my kitchen is looking. I'm gonna keep it like this, and I think it's best if I just leave the tea kettle there. Then right on my left, I love this open shelf. I have some gingerbread mugs. This is a traditional classic gingerbread kitchen and I love it, especially for this amount of space that I have. Now let's start decorating the wine cooler. Okay, this is stinking cute. So this little section, I like to make it like a faux bar cart style, but it's a top of my wine cooler. I think it's very precious just seeing it very decorated, and it's so festive. I love to see Mr. Snowman up there. It's more of an entertaining section. So here are my appetizer plates, some coasters, my cups, and then I have this little section so if, when you guys come over, you guys could get your mocktail ready. And like I said, I have my little napkins here, and this is how this section of my house is looking. It's very Christmassy. As you can see, I have my hot cocoa bar there ready, and then I have my little mocktail section ready. I think I'm done with the decorating for today. I really want to have a cozy day in later today, and I want to have some cookies ready, so let's start baking. While my cookies are baking, it takes like 10 minutes, and then I add the other ones on top, and then I add another timer of 8 to 10 more minutes. I forgot, but I am gonna drink some water. I'm very thirsty, but look at the cup I'm using. It's this one that says Joy to the World, and there's Snoopy, Charlie Brown, Linus, and Lucy. I was so thirsty. Alright guys, so I just made my cookies and I am gonna eat one a little later. I really wanted to make myself a hot cocoa, but remember what I said last time a while back? Not have a sugary drink and eat sugar. It's balanced. I'm gonna make myself a cinnamon tea, but I'm so excited to eat a cookie a little later. We're probably gonna watch a movie together also, and then I'm gonna try to make myself dinner right now. I'm gonna reheat my dinner actually. I cooked yesterday and I had a little bit left over, so that's what I'm gonna be eating. But anyways, I wanted to share what I got at Marshall's the other day. I like to share the most that I can, but guys, you know I'm an extra cozy person. What does a cozy person like to do? Loves to be home and loves to be comfortable. So I got some PJs. Look! This one is too cute. This was the top. It came in a set. The set was 19 bucks. I was like, yes, take it, take it. Pants, the bottoms, just so you guys could see the print. Look how cute. It's the Nutcracker. And then look at the buttons for this. A cute little peppermint swirl. And then at Five Below, I went to go browse with my cousin, and I found some lounge shirts, you could say, t-shirts. I'm gonna go to Knott's Berry Farm soon. And guys, look at this shirt. I'm a Peanuts fan. So, look. It's so cute. And then the next thing I got at Five Below, it's another shirt. Me and loungewear and comfy clothes, right? But this one is so cute because it kind of gives it vintage vibes. But this one says eating cookies and watching Christmas movies. Look how cute. I love this shirt so much. I think it's so cute. I love the colors. It's not really loungewear. They are t-shirts, but I'm like, you know what? I could just wear them anywhere, or if I just want to be extra festive during the day, lounge. But at Marshall's, I got this puzzle, and you guys know I love puzzles. It just makes it feel extra special having a new puzzle. The puzzle I got for this year is the Silent Night one. A 500 piece, and I think it's super sweet, precious. I love it. Kind of want to do this already, but I'm thinking if I should wait till December. They had different ones and different patterns. I really wanted to buy them all, but the price skyrocketed. Like, it's so bad. 10 bucks. Either that or I'm becoming like Scrooge, and I'm happy I got it. So, but that's it with this haul. I am gonna start reheating my dinner, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, so I am watching The Bishop's Wife. I don't know if anybody has heard or seen this movie. It's very old. It's from 1947, 48, but it's a classic. I love it. Besides, It's a Wonderful Life. Just finished my tea, my cinnamon tea with cloves, which has so many benefits, but I mean, does it count? I just ate a cookie. That is it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos to come. There is going to be lots of more Christmas videos. With all that said, have a cozy day, guys.